Hi everyone, welcome to Smarty. In this video we are gonna look on how to download WhatsApp stories or status without installing any external application. Let's get into the video directly. Just open your WhatsApp and see the stories that you wish. Whatever you are seeing in WhatsApp stories, it will automatically stored to your device. I am opening a video and images of a friend of mine to show you how. Once you have seen the images in WhatsApp, open your file manager or file explorer in your device. Search for WhatsApp folder, in that select media folder, and you see the statuses folder. Just open it, you can see all your friends' WhatsApp images and videos. What are the videos you would like to download to the internal memory? Just long press and mark whatever you need. After that, at the top right corner you see 3 dots. Click that and click copy and paste it wherever you want and share it your WhatsApp status. If you don't need to download but need them in your status, select the media and click share to directly post the media to your profile. And the important note will be that these images and videos will be available for only 24 hours and you need store that before it expires. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as bell button to get more videos like this.